This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Gorgeous 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home with loft/den, house. 5th bedroom, in lovely neighborhood. Bright, open, smart floor plan. Gourmet kitchen west/2 full-size sinks, pass-through window to patio, deluxe cabinets west/slides, GE profile stainless steel appliances, granite counters. Huge screened patio west/large pool and plenty of covered area to enjoy FL's sunny days and sunsets. First floor master suite west/large shower, garden tub, great walk-in closet. First floor is tiled, second and staircase feature 3/4 thick solid oak flooring. Renovated bathrooms too. Large yard, serene setting, lake views and room for boat parking on the side. Double pane hurricane impact resistant windows, 16 SEER Trane AC, new duct work, R60 attic insulation, 40 years roof west/peel and stick underlayment, 125 deep well for irrigation. This is a must-see. For more information